Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be performing an easy to do card trick that you can perform to as many spectators as you want and they will not get a clue of how it's done. So it's a really awesome trick and I'm sure that you guys are going to love it. Now before I start this video, I just want to point out something. So now I recently got some comments from you guys that my decks are worn out, and they are, as you can see, this bicycle deck over here. It's completely worn out. And I will be buying some new ones real soon, so till then just bear with me and just enjoy the video. Let's go. So to start off this effect, I'm going to show you guys that all the cards in my hand are completely shuffled up, as you can see. But still, just to give it a more random order, I'm just going to go ahead and give the deck a quick little cut, just like so. Alright, so now at this point what's gonna happen is I'm gonna take out a secret card which I'm gonna reveal at the end of this trick. So I'm gonna do that about right now. So let's say it's gonna be I'm gonna take this card over here. That's my secret card right over there, and I'm gonna keep that in the frame for the whole video. Alright, so now at this point what's gonna happen is I'm gonna ask the spectator to just divide this whole deck into approximately equal parts, three approximately equal parts. So let's do it about now. So I'm gonna try to be as precise as possible because it's almost impossible to like divide the cards exactly into 3 parts. Alright, so now we have here our 3 piles, as you can see. Now let's take the cards that you have freely chosen: 6 of clubs, the 9 of hearts, and the 5 of clubs. So these are completely random selections, okay? And now what's gonna happen is I'm gonna take the 6 of clubs and I'm gonna count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cards, and then I'm gonna keep 1 card on top of each pile, okay? So this is how it's gonna make sense. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then I'm gonna keep 1 card on each pile, and I'm gonna keep the rest of the cards on top. Then we have a 9. Then we have a 9. So it's gonna take it and the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then just like put the cards right. Then we have the 5. So I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 1 card on each pile, and this is gonna go on top. So now the number of cards that are dealt on the table right over here depended upon the cards that you selected. It could have been a king, jack, a 2, or an ace, anything that you would have stopped at. But you stopped at the 6, 9, and the 5, and you landed on 3 more random cards. Let's have a look at these cards. You have the 4 of hearts, the 4 of spades, and the 4 of diamonds. And guess what? My prediction over here just happens to be the last 4, the 4 of clubs.